Okay, so modified Ampere's law or else displacement current density. Okay, either this one or else this one. In your exams, either the question will be like this one, just derive the modified Ampere's law. Okay, or else modified Ampere circuit law, whatever. And or else displacement, find out the displacement current density for the Maxwell equations. Okay, so both the concepts will be same. So now we are going to modify del cross H is equals to J. This is your expression. We are modifying this expression with respect of time. Means in the finalized expression we need to have a time factor. In the finalized expression we need to have a time factor. Okay, so now see for this we are taking del cross H is equals to J. I am taking this expression. Now apply divergence on both sides. Divergence is nothing but del dot of del cross H is equals to del dot J. Okay, yes, del cross H is equals to del dot J. Now see here from this, from the properties of divergence, from the properties of divergence we can write this expression value as 0. Why? Because divergence, this is equals to what? Divergence of this expression. Okay, divergence of curl. Here we are having curl as well as divergence. So divergence of curl of a vector is always equals to 0 from the properties of divergence. Okay, from the properties of divergence of curl, we can have divergence of curl of a vector is always 0. So divergence of curl of vector is equals to 0 means this value will be equals to 0. So simply we can have 0 that is equals to del dot J. Okay, for example, this is the first expression. Okay, this is first expression I am taking. Now see here, we know the continuity equation. Continuity equation in the first unit. In the first unit we have derived the continuity equation. What is the continuity equation? Yes, in the first unit we have derived the continuity equation. Laplace, Poisson's, continuity. The three derivations, O'Carroll's derivation. Okay, so what is the continuity equation? Already so many members have written their notes. Okay. See here. This is your continuity equation. So continuity equation. So based on the concept of current, we have derived the continuity equation as this one. Okay. Now del dot J is equals to minus d rho v by dt. So just I am taking this continuity equation here right now. For our present expression, we are taking a continuity equation. From continuity equation, we know that del dot J is equals to minus d rho v by dt, or else it can be treated as minus dou rho v by dou t, whatever. In some books it will be like d by dt, in some books it will be like dou by dou t. Don't confuse here. So whatever. So now del dot J is equals to, we know that finally dou rho v by dou t. Okay. Now see here, but from the first expression we can write, from first equation del dot J can be represented as 0. So 0 is equals to minus dou rho v by dou t. Is it right? Now see here, from this dou rho v by dou t is equals to 0. Is it right? Now actually see here, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0 is nothing but this will be 0, this will be 0 is nothing but this will be 0. Finally, we can conclude that, see here, from the expression of this first as well as second expression. By comparing of these two expressions, actually we need to modify this expression into time varying fields. But as per this derivation, the time varying is here, but that value is equals to 0. Okay. As per this derivation, time varying is considered. This expression can be converted into time varying, but the finalized expression is equals to 0. But the Maxwell equation total expression is should not be equals to 0. So for that, we need to modify this expression. Okay. So so we are getting 0 here for the dou by dou t. That is nothing but dou by dou t. T is here. So based on the time factor, the total value will be equals to 0 here. So now we need to modify the expression. Instead of getting 0, we need to modify this expression. Okay, so for that is called as modified Ampere's circuital law. So for that, we are taking del cross H is equals to J. Here we have this one. And next, here, I'm adding an unknown factor, J plus some N. Okay, where N is unknown quantity, unknown parameter. So just we need to find out this unknown parameter and substitute this, so you can get the final expression. Now see here, just we need to modify this expression. Why? Because we are getting a time varying value also 0. Okay, so instead of for the time invariant it is 0. In the same way, for time varying is also 0. Is it right? Del dot j is equals to 0 is nothing but this value is equals to 0. So this value is nothing but, so total j value will be equals to 0. J value will be 0 is nothing but del cross h value will be 0. So now, for this is time invariant and this is time varying. In both the cases, we are getting the final value as 0. So that's why we are modifying this expression. So that as del cross h is equals to j, del cross h is equals to j plus capital N. Just I am adding an unknown quantity, that is N. Okay. Yes. So where N is nothing but an unknown parameter. So we need to find out the unknown parameter N value and substitute within this. That is your final expression of modified Ampere's circuital law. Is it clear up to now? Any doubts? Yes?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, see here, del cross h is equals to j plus n. Again, apply divergence on both sides again. On both sides. So we can have del dot del cross del dot del cross h is equals to del dot del cross h is equals to, for this side also we can have applying divergence del dot j plus n. Okay. Yes. Now see here, from this value can be represented as del dot del cross h is equals to del dot j plus del dot n. Is it right? Next, but this value can be represented as what? 0. From the previous concept, from the properties of curl, divergence of curl of a vector is equals to 0. So here also this value is equals to 0. 0 is equals to del dot j plus del dot n. Is it right? Yes? Is it right? Is it clear? Everyone? Hello? Hello? Now, see here, from this, we need to find out the n value. We need to find out the n value. So just I'm taking del dot n is equals to right now. This can be here it is minus del dot j. Okay, but del dot j can be represented as from continuity equation del dot j is equals to minus dou rho v by dou t. Is it right? So now substitute this value here it is. So minus dou rho v by dou t. Is it right? Now minus minus plus. So finally dou rho v by dou t, that is equals to what? Del dot n. Okay. Now see here, if you are having a del value on the right side, then both del will be cancelled. Finally, you can have the n value. Actually, we need to find out the n value only. So, but here it is an extra quantity as del. So, if you want to cancel this, for this, just for the right side also, if you are having a del value, del dot something, then del value will be cancelled. Finally, you can have the expression as n is equals to something. So, for that, I am modifying this expression as dou rho v by dou t. See here, we know that from the Maxwell equations, del dot d is equals to what? Rho v. Del dot d is equals to what? Rho v. Substitute the del dot d rho v value within this. Dou by dou t del dot d. Is it right? Now just interchange this interchange this differentiation and del value. So you can have, if you interchange these two, del dot dou d by dou t is equals to del dot n. Is it right? Is it clear? Yes? So now, on both sides, del can be cancelled. Okay, so now, finally we can have n is equals to dou d by dou t. Now, just substitute this n value within this expression. For example, this is your third expression. Okay, now substitute n value in third equation. Okay, so now del cross h is equals to j plus dou d by dou t. Okay, now see here, del cross h is equals to j plus dou d by dou t, or else jc plus jd. We can write like this one also. Jc is nothing but conduction current density JD is nothing but displacement current density. Displacement current density. So now finally displacement current density is equals to dou d by dou t. It's an important one. Okay, this is your final Maxwell equation, or else in some books it will be represented like this one. Del cross H is equals to JC plus JD. Okay, so displacement current density. In your exams directly, they can ask, find out the displacement current density for the Maxwell equation. So you need to find out the JD is equals to what? Okay, displacement current density is this one. Okay, yes? So it's an important one. So it's a very, very, very important one. So most of the cases for a long question, you can get this one. Okay. Yes. So it's a very, very, very important one. Okay. So just go through the derivation. If you are having any doubt, just ask me. I will clear.